We're going to go through the setup procedure for a ReadyArc Sync enabled plasma system. First things first is the power supply. On the back of the machine, you will find the on-off switch, the inlet gas supply connection, and the 10-foot power cord. If you have the mechanized version, you will find the optional circular plaster connector also on the rear panel. These connections are to be used with cutting tables, pipe cutters, and other devices that require remote inputs. All of ReadyArc's plasma systems have a data tag on the rear panel that displays model information and the input power specifications. On the front here, you will see the main status screen, controls, the torch connector, and the work lead connector. The status screen provides useful information for setup and operation. You'll be able to see things like cartridge life, system data, and settings. If you need to refer to the manual, you can just scan the QR code on the top of the power source for quick access. The controls and indicators are simple and easy to use. This LED indicates that the system is powered on and ready to use. The amperage operating mode and gas pressure are all set automatically. You are able to adjust the cutting current at any time with the adjustment knob. To adjust gas pressure, push and hold the automatic manual pressure setting mode selector until the green LED comes on. Now you can make manual changes using the adjustment knob. Push the button again to go back to the automatic mode. The operating mode LEDs automatically set when a cartridge is installed. The mode button can also be used to manually switch between the modes, like expanded metal or metal grating. If this yellow light appears, that means there is a fault with the power supply. Refer to the operator manual for fault code descriptions. Insert the SmartSync torch into the power supply into the torch receptacle. You should hear a click. There is a handy integrated lock switch on the torch to prevent it from firing accidentally when the power supply is on. This is helpful for when you need to move the machine or change a cartridge. The torch has two status LEDs. The first is a multicolored LED. It will appear green when the torch is ready to fire, yellow for when the torch is locked, and red if it detects a severe fault. The second status LED is a smaller light here. This indicates when a gouging cartridge is installed. The SmartSync hand torch also lets you adjust the current setting to preset amperages right from the torch, which varies depending on the sync cartridge that is being used. The work lead cable connects here on the front panel. Insert and turn it to the right to lock it in place. Now you can plug the system in and add an air source that meets your system's requirements. Attach your work clamp to your piece or table, install your cartridge, and you're ready to go. For more information about the ReadyArc Sync enabled plasma systems, visit readyarc.com or give us a call.